Change impact assessments are really good for lots of different people. It's great for change practitioners, project practitioners, HR practitioners, because they do lots of different programs. It's just anyone who's involved in any type of change or initiative. Even if you're a people leader and you're doing things all the time with your teams and you want to understand how to make sure you're understanding impacts. So come along and learn about it. Change impact assessments they're central to your change plan. You can't do it if you don't understand the current and the future and where you're going. So your change plan is built off having a really great change impact assessment. Change management is so much more than a project capability. It's an organisational capability, it's a leader capability, and change impact assessments are at the heart of it. So come and learn more about them. One of the fail points on projects is not having really good change impact assessments done. So you've rushed into the future and you're doing things, but you don't really understand where you've come from. So learning to do a good change impact assessment is critical to doing projects really well. Part of good change impact assessments is understanding target operating models. So during the workshop, we're going to talk a little bit about target operating models, what it is, and why you need to be thinking about it when you're doing good change management and change impact assessments. So if you don't know much about target operating models, it's a great opportunity to get a little bit of an introduction into them. In agile projects, change impact assessments are still needed. You might do them in a different way, but you still need to do them. So come along to our workshop and hear about how you do impact assessments in an agile environment. With access to the change space, your learning continues well beyond the workshop. Bite-sized learning, webinars, audios, articles, all sorts of things to really continue that learning for you. In the Impact Assessment Workshop, we'll really focus on case studies. It's fun, it's interactive, and it's a great way to go away with a practical set of tools that you can put into place immediately.